Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Nervy Specialist. I'm with Terry, and we were wanting to show you something on the wall. So this particular coach is a Grand Design Solitude. I don't remember what year offhand, but a while back it came in, and we did a repair procedure where we added brackets because the wall, as you can see here, the wall had broke loose and it had cracked the welds and it had broke off the old screws. So we had, at the time, we had screwed screws here, but now we're starting to use rivets to kind of better secure it. And then here's the other pieces that are there. And so Terry's in the process of beefing that up. That wasn't the problem though. That the problem was this back wall. So go ahead and show him, Terry. So this back wall, as you can see, it does a side to side movement. And so he's lightly pulling on it, but it's loose and it's shifting. And so what we've been finding over and over repeatedly is these walls have been shearing off the screws. And the only thing we can contribute it to...
So mainly all these screws, they're going through the back wall into this wall. They're all breaking.
Yeah, so the only thing we can think of is that when going in and out of driveways, that this thing's doing this, walking, and causing it to shear off. So make sure you go in and out of driveways a lot slower. Be careful. Other than that, we have seen a lot of stuff that's, like I said, it's breaking on the welds. As you can see that. Cracking of the welds right there. Breaking of the material. And again, that's kind of a combination. So this is an older one that we had repaired just this wall, but not the whole back walls. Now when we come in and we see this, what we're doing is we're not only fixing the sides, but we're also fixing the back of the wall. Some of the walls have little angle brackets on the inside. Some of them have them on the outside. So we're going through and beefing them back up. So anyways, I'll try to post some of the information more in detail, or I'll write an article about it, giving you more exact what tools we're using and what things we're using. But basically just flat straps, T-brackets, stainless steel rivets, lath screws, and then just beefing things up to secure it. Obviously, like he said, those screws that were in the back. And then you can see too, I'm gonna zoom in down here. You can see how those screws, look at all the water and stuff that's on those screws. So, keep an eye on making sure that everything's getting sealed correctly. Here's some more screws that were showing signs of rust. So make sure that you're keeping up on all that kind of stuff. So water's going to find its way in there and penetrate anything. And then again, this piece of molding here, you see how there's staples? Well, a lot of times those staples will come loose if that silicone gets separated. And then water will get back in there. And you can see on the back of this molding here where there's water that's been getting down through past the screw cover and come in and hitting all the putties and molding. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more, and thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist.